Hey Tech Wheels fam! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest and greatest in renewable energy and cutting-edge technology. Today, we have an incredible story for you. The Danish renewable energy giant, Ørsted, is teaming up with Tesla to revolutionize energy storage in the UK with their massive Hornsea 3 offshore wind farm. So, let's get into it. Hornsea 3, located off the coast of Norfolk near Norwich, is one of the largest offshore wind farms in the world. With a massive capacity of 2.4 GW, it's set to power over 2 million homes once fully operational. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Ørsted has decided to install a Tesla battery storage system at the onshore conversion station in Swardston, Norfolk. The installation site is cleverly chosen to minimize disruptions for local residents and businesses. By placing the battery system at the same site as the onshore conversion station, Ørsted ensures a seamless integration with the existing infrastructure. Plus, it's a huge step forward in reducing energy price volatility and stabilizing the UK's energy supply. Here's a quote from Duncan, the head of Ørsted UK and Ireland. Our 12 operational offshore wind farms in the UK are already providing a significant amount of clean energy to the grid. This battery will help ensure that renewable energy is utilized in the best possible way, storing it when demand is low and releasing it back into the system when it's really needed. What a fantastic vision. Now, let's talk about the broader implications. This project will be one of the largest battery storage systems in Europe once completed in 2026. It represents a major leap towards sustainable energy solutions, showcasing how innovative technology can work hand-in-hand with renewable energy sources to create a more resilient and efficient power grid. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. Your support means the world to us. This collaboration also highlights the synergy between two giants in the renewable sector, Orsted and Tesla. Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology is known for its efficiency and reliability, making it a perfect match for Ørsted's ambitious renewable projects. Together, they're setting a new standard for energy storage and management. Looking ahead, this project is just the beginning. The success of this battery system could pave the way for more large-scale storage solutions, not just in the UK, but globally. As countries strive to meet their renewable energy targets, projects like these will be crucial in ensuring a stable and sustainable energy future. To sum it up, the Orsted and Tesla partnership is a groundbreaking step in the renewable energy sector. It's projects like these that give us hope for a greener and more sustainable future. What do you think about this collaboration? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching Tech Wheels, and we'll see you in the next episode.